We were trying to find the cost per ounce of a family size box of cereal. So to find that, we'd have to know the cost of the box, which is the numerator, divided by the number of ounces in that family size box. If you look at clue 1, it says family size box of cereal contains. So let's let F be the number of ounces of family, and it's going to be 10 ounces more than a regular size box of cereal. So regular plus 10 more ounces. Now those are ounces. F is number of ounces of family. R is the number of ounces of regular. But we need to find this up here, and that clue 1 does not help us at all. Number of ounces, well, we don't know. We don't know the cost of the family size box. So forget clue 1. Clue 2 says family size box of cereal is $5.40. $5.40. So that gives me the numerator divided by number of ounces, which is F, but I don't know what F is. So clue 2 doesn't work by itself either. And if you put the two together, that gives me the 540 divided by family. And we know family is R plus 10 if we use clue 1, but I don't know what R is, and I don't know anything else. So that doesn't work either. So the answer is E, nothing works.